Today I'm going to show you how you can make over $1,000 every single day using just your mobile phone, AI, and also social media. You won't believe how easy it is to do this, and AI will pretty much do all of the work for you. Now you're probably asking, how will I do this? Well, InVideo AI have just released a brand new app that basically allows you to type in any prompt and it will turn that prompt into a fully fledged video. You can then upload this video onto Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and even YouTube. And all of these platforms allow you to get paid when publishing videos. And make sure you keep watching, as I will tell you another way you can make money publishing these videos, which can earn you nearly 3 times the amount. And anyone can do this. Doesn't matter who you are or where you are, literally anyone can do this. So let's dive straight into the video and I can show you how you can start this side hustle today. Now, just before we do get into the video, I want to tell you all about something new that I'm launching, the Ultimate Wealth Circle. This is my platform on Discord where like-minded individuals get together and talk about how to make money online. It is essentially a network of people who want to make money online and be successful. And as you are watching this video today, that shows me that you are that type of person too. So if you are serious and you want to be part of a network of individuals who are driven to succeed, well then make sure you join the Ultimate Wealth Circle by clicking the link below in the description. And make sure to join today, because if you join today, it's completely free and it will stay free for you forever. After, it's going to cost a monthly fee for you to join. So secure your spot in the group now. Now let's get back to the video. Now guys, not only will you be able to make money from this using YouTube, but you'll also be able to make money from this using TikTok and Instagram. And I would recommend mainly to focus on YouTube and TikTok, as with those platforms you'll have the highest earning potential. There's countless videos from multiple YouTubers showing that they've made 5 figures a month from either TikTok or YouTube. These are essentially faceless channels. And you can do this too with this extremely powerful AI tool. Now the app we are going to use is InVideo AI. Also guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. So all we do is we go onto the App Store and we search in InVideo AI, then I'll just find the app and click on download. Now once it's downloaded, it'll ask you to sign up. So if you are following along this video, I'd recommend to keep watching before you sign up, as the step that I explain near the end is extremely important. So as I have an account already, I'm just going to sign in. Now that I've signed in, I'll see the screen and I can literally just type in a video I want in the box above. However, what I'm first going to do is understand what my niche is going to be about. This is important as it will allow you to choose the direction you want to go towards. And if you're struggling with finding a niche, well, you can go to another AI tool called ChatGPT and you can ask it for different niches. Now let's look at an example. So we can see over here, this channel does shorts and gets millions of views. And according to Social Blade, well, they're making around 5 figures a month. Now I understand shorts don't make as much as long form content, but they can still generate a lot of money. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to type in here, make me a YouTube short about the top 5 most bizarre facts, make the video funny and entertaining, and use a male voiceover with an American accent. Then once you do that, it's going to ask you a few more questions. So you can decide the audience, the look and feel, as well as the platform. I'm just going to select these options over here, and after a while, it'll make that video. And this is the video it made.
Crank up your curiosity, folks. 5 bizarre facts coming your way. 1. The longest time between 2 twins being born is 87 days. 2. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. 3. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. 4. An octopus has 3 hearts, and they still can't love you back. And 5. You can't hum while holding your nose. Go ahead, try it. Mind-blowing, right? Stay tuned for more wacky wisdom.
So as you can see, that video turned out to be alright. Now let's say you're not happy with the video. What you can do is click this regenerate button over here and it will make a whole new video using the same prompts. This is what it came up with.
Welcome to a whirlwind tour of the top 5 most bizarre sports facts. Buckle up, folks. First off, the fastest goal in professional soccer was scored in just 2 seconds. Talk about a quick game. Second, in the world of boxing, the longest bout lasted 7 hours and 19 minutes. Now that's some serious stamina. Third, the world record for most marathons run on consecutive days is a staggering 242. Hope they had comfortable shoes. Fourth, basketball was originally played with a soccer ball. Imagine trying to dunk with that. And finally, did you know that golf balls were originally made of feathers? Birdie, indeed. There you have it. 5 bizarre sports facts to make your day a bit more interesting. Until next time. Now,
let's say you liked the video, but you're just unhappy with a few things. Well, if you go into this edit box right over here, you can type in what you want to change, and it will change it for you. For example, let's say you want to change the accent from American to British. You just type in, change the accent to a British accent.
Welcome to a whirlwind tour of the top 5 most bizarre sports facts. Buckle up, folks. First off, The fastest goal in professional soccer was scored in just 2 seconds.
You can also change the script over here, so if you don't like parts of the script, you can completely change it or delete it. You can also change the media of the scene. For example, if you wanted to change the scene over here, we select it, then we'll go into InVideo AI's built-in library and search through its 8 million royalty-free clips, and then we just select the one we like, and then we just change it. And then once you're done, you'll just click on export. Now, the reason I said in the beginning not to follow the steps until you've watched the full video, because if you now export the video, it will come up with a watermark, and it will have the InVideo AI watermark in the corner as well. Not only that, it will also be in the lowest resolution of only 480p. Now, if you are genuinely serious about using this tool to make money, then you will need to buy InVideo AI subscription, which works out to be only $20 a month. So before you download the app, make sure you click my link in the description, sign up with InVideo AI, and purchase the subscription. Once you do that, you can then download the app and sign in. Now, with this, I'd recommend posting a minimum of once a day on your chosen platform. You can also upload these videos on multiple platforms too, but I'd recommend for the time being to focus on just one. And if you want to grow as fast as possible and make even more money, then I'd recommend posting at least 3 times a day. Now, earlier on in the video, I mentioned how you can 3x your money. Now, the way you'll do this is by incorporating affiliate marketing into your videos. And there is an extremely powerful way using TikTok, which can help you earn well over $10,000 a month. If you want me to make a full dedicated video on that, well then make sure you put it down in the comments below. And if you want to know other ways to make money online, well, make sure you click this video just over here, and I'll see you guys there.